Hi friends, let's end the year with checking how Tesla stock has done. 3-year returns, pretty excellent, 280% if you were one of those relatively early investors in Tesla. 1-year return, absolutely terrible, minus 70% if you thought a year ago that stonks only go up. Half-year returns, devastating, minus 55% if you thought in the summer that Tesla is bulletproof when other hyped up stocks clearly are not. And finally, last 3 months of minus 60% horror when the truth finally has caught up with all Tesla fanboys and girls around YouTube sphere and everywhere else too. And could this have been seen by anyone? And could anyone possibly have spoken words of warnings about Tesla stock earlier this year? Anyone? Ladies and gentlemen, my Tesla highlight reel of 2022. Enjoy. Today we will make a prediction whose price of Tesla is more accurate, mine or Cathy Wood's ARK Innovation Funds. In ARK's website blog post named ARK's expected value for Tesla in 2026, $4,600 per share, published recently on April 14th, 2022, ARK presented their valuation on Tesla and, as the headline states, claimed that Tesla stock will be $4,600 per share in 2026. They also gave a bear case where the stock price will be only, and I mean only, $2,900. So to put it in plain English, ARK says that if everything goes poorly for Tesla, you will only, and again only, 4x your money during the next 4 years. If this is ARK's bear case, I'm not sure why anyone should even look into other stocks or invest in other stocks. I suggest you go read from ARK's website yourself how they justify this valuation. There are electronic vehicles leadership, robo-taxis, self-driving cars, etc. for you. Go and read it yourself and make up your own mind on that one. But it's Arctic Money's turn now to present my valuation. To put it simply, I guess the biggest difference between my valuation and ARK's is that ARK is really buying into all hopes and dreams Tesla can do. They are sure Tesla will win everywhere they go, be it electronic vehicles, EVs, be it robo-taxis, be it ride-hailing. They will win everything big and there is no competition for Tesla at all. And herein lies also my downfall. They can hit the jackpot and win everything. As I said, Tesla is a great company. That is possible, but according to me, it is against many odds. The history has shown that especially car industry, as highlighted in an interview by Warren Buffett himself, has been fiercely competitive in the past and many have tried and many have failed in car industry. Only few car companies have survived in the past from the consolidation as winners. Taking even a broader view, as these new industries like EVs hold great potential for profits, you know, if there's one industry with profits, the competition will find its way there. That is just simply how economics work. I admit I'm no Tesla technology expert and I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments after posting this video why I am wrong in my valuation of Tesla, but I still don't quite get what is Tesla's moat. Why are they better than every other auto company in the world? Sure, they are first movers, I know it, but there is plenty of competition existing already. And let me now take an even broader view. I checked how much Teslas cost and guess what? Not everybody can afford a Tesla. Tesla might be classic leader of premium quality niche in auto industry, but cost leader they are not. There are cheaper alternatives available already. And I am going to claim that for most people a car is still a mean to get from point A to point B and nothing else. If a car can do that, everything else is just extra. Tesla is a great car, but not everyone needs, or better yet, can afford a great car. There will be competition for Tesla. If someone is having huge profits, eventually there will always be someone challenging. Let me now show you Tesla stock price and Bitcoin price. Do they look similar to you? It is the same people, the same speculators investing in both of them. They both are like cults to me, and I guess that is why even Michael Burry did not nail his Tesla short back in the days because of this cult-like crowd behavior, buying into Tesla stock and Bitcoin both. Recently we have seen Tesla and Bitcoin coming down in tandem, so Burry was right on his short but failed the timing. This is also one of the biggest reasons I don't short myself. I can be confident on the direction of the stock long term, but I have no clue when will it go up or when will it go down, which you need to kind of know if you're shorting a stock. So that is one reason why I don't do it. Anyway, I guess it's now time for my valuation on Tesla and Arctic Money criteria. Let's go first with the Arctic Money criteria. So, here you can see the Arctic Money criteria of Tesla, and Tesla is not in the fair value. We go to the valuation part next, but I think Tesla is really overvalued. Really overvalued, and that is why I give only 1 point to Tesla. So, some of you might be in shock now, but let me get to the valuation in a minute. Let's first check here now the ranking, and as you can see, Tesla got 10 points out of total 50, and that promises pretty bad things. And here is the ranking. And as you can see, in my Arctic Money ranking of investments, Tesla takes the last spot, even behind Manchester United. So let's get now to the valuation part. My fair value today for Tesla for 10% return annually would be $370. So I think Tesla stock has room today for a 50% drop or so. So after a little bit of rounding up, I will say Tesla stock will be worth $600 in 2026. If you buy Tesla today, you will not make money during the next 5 or 4.5 years. That is my prediction. Let's have a recap here now. Cathy Wood and her ARK team claim that Tesla will be $4,600 per share in 2026, and YouTube investor living with the wolves in Finnish Lakeside says it will be $600 per share. Predicting the market bottoms is impossible, and I do mean it is impossible, but if you held a gun to my head and required me to answer, I would still say that we haven't seen the market bottom yet, and we have even quite significant way to go more down still. Why? Let's discuss it next. I have a special stock that I have been analyzing myself. I have made a valuation on it, and it's the most talked stock among my friend circle, at least. Obviously already. Make a guess now, what stock do you think I'm talking about next? Yeah, you got it right, it's Tesla. So I have had this fun conspiracy theory that is non-scientific by any matter, but I'm gonna still say it to you and present it to you guys. So Tesla, in my opinion, is the most loved stock among tech investors. It has been for years. Can Tesla be the canary in the coal mine for us to see when that famous bottom would actually come? Could Tesla be the sign of it? I don't know, but as said, this is a fun theory I've had in my mind for some time. I believe we need to see Tesla having a major decline in their stock price before the so-called bottom can have happened. Here you can see the table, and as we can see, I picked there a couple of companies, couple of ETFs and Bitcoin, and we can see year-to-date performance, 1-year performance, and 5-year/IPO compared to IPO price performance, so initial public offering when the stock listed to some exchange. You can see everybody else. Let's have a look at the 1-year performance first. Tesla is the only one on the green side. Everybody else on the red side. So among all these high growth tech stocks that I have ever come across, I'm always surprised that when everybody started going downhill during this year, the only one that really didn't even move down that much was Tesla. So that now you understand what I mean with the canary in the coal mine. I think all the Tesla's peers, and again, this is non-scientific, I'm just telling you how I see the world myself, and what I think is that you can see many stocks like, for example, Tesla, Spotify, even Meta, even Netflix, even Nvidia, that I would imagine many people who have Tesla in their portfolios also have some other of these names, or then some names from the meme ETF or the ARK Innovation ETF or Bitcoin. And Everything else has basically crashed. What will happen next? That is my question. My fun theory, my fun prediction, guess that is completely non-scientific, is that we can start talking about the market bottom once we see Tesla bleeding a little bit. The most overvalued stock I have been analyzing, in my opinion, at least out of these three, is Tesla by a big margin. So that relates to the stock price movement there of 1 year performance, as you can see, the only one on the green side and the only one that hasn't had the crash all Tesla's sisters and brothers stocks already had, I would say. And yeah, that is the this is the basis for my canary in the coal mine theory. Welcome back to this day after that blast from the past. My updated fair value for Tesla now after the 3-to-1 stock split is $130 per share for 10% annual returns, which means that Tesla might be already trading at fair value today, believe it or not. If someone wants to invest in Tesla today, I will no longer say that you're crazy. But we are talking about a hugely uncertain company and stock, now maybe more than before even, and thus my buy price target for Tesla would be $65 today per share after factoring in margin of safety too. Should Tesla hit around that number, I would probably buy Tesla stock myself. Can you imagine that? Everything has a price. Let me conclude the video now with some current thoughts on Tesla that were not already presented earlier in this highlight reel video. Elon Musk's focus has been all over the place in 2022, and he has somewhat become a liability for Tesla. Tesla relies heavily on its brand value, and Musk has been destroying it with focus on his other businesses, the Twitter saga, with constant need to comment on everything in the world, including some real stupid comments on Ukraine's situation. Elon Musk is a genius, but now he has hurt Tesla brand this year. I honestly think so myself. My 50% required margin of safety to invest in Tesla is more than justified after what I have seen, and should be bigger more likely than smaller. That 50% of margin of safety. Musk has also, after summer, stated that he's done with selling of Tesla stock, and here we went again, him selling a huge chunk of Tesla stock just recently. What's up with that? Man's actions do not match his words. Did I make money this year by shorting Tesla? No, because I don't short stocks myself. With going short, upside is limited and downside is unlimited. Not a game for me. Did I avoid losing money when I never invested in Tesla though? Yes, I indeed avoided losing money, unlike huge number of people who have rushed to invest in Tesla during last 1 or 2 years. Not losing money is as important as making money. If you are determined not to lose money next year in too hyped up stocks like Tesla, subscribe Arctic Money channel. It does not cost you anything and hopefully can teach you something that may in the future make you money, or at least teach you something that will prevent you from losing money. Thanks for watching this video. Have a happy new year. See you next year. Bye bye.